Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm joined this morning by Beth Cheverine of Whirlpool Corporation. And Beth is going to tell us about all things KitchenAid.
Yes,
right?
I love talking about KitchenAid.
So go ahead, Beth, and just give us an overview of where KitchenAid fits into the Whirlpool family of brands, and also kind of just where KitchenAid is today versus where they've come from.
Yeah, definitely. So KitchenAid would land in our mass premium segment of our business. You're going to get some of those higher end features. We do have a pro line available, but it's still at a price point that you're not hitting that kind of super luxury market. KitchenAid, obviously, I think most people would be think of it as synonymous with the KitchenAid stand mixer. KitchenAid also has a rich history. They even were the ones to create the first dishwasher within the United States. But when we think of that KitchenAid consumer, it's somebody who loves spending time in the kitchen. Cooking for them, it's not a chore. It's somewhere where they can let their creativity fly. They have passion for making. And you see that in a lot of our products, especially with stand mixer and some of even the smaller appliances that we offer.
So KitchenAid is for the makers and the
Yes.
bakers.
Yes.
No, that's great. It's, you know, in KitchenAid, you know, I grew up, as most people have, with the big KitchenAid mixer, and
Yeah.
what's great is that design really hasn't changed in,
Right.
you know, however long it's been out,
Yeah.
other than the fancy colors.
Right, exactly. And a fun fact, that port on the front where you can add some of our attachments, that actually hasn't changed in decades. So if you had an old mixer, you could use some of the attachments today for that original stand mixer.
So why change something that works?
Exactly. If it's not broke, don't fix it.
Don't fix it.
Yep.
And you know, it's synonymous with a lot of the innovation, though, that's throughout the KitchenAid lineup now, right?
Exactly.
So when you look at KitchenAid products, and you know, I talked about the different colors available in a mixer.
Yep.
So on the Pro line, there are different colors that you can get, right?
Yes, we do have our classic stainless, but then we have some really unique colors like avocado cream, milkshake, that's really a nice kind of beige color. But you can get really fun with a statement piece in your kitchen that typically you would maybe do with your cabinet colors or rugs or something else.
So what's old is new. Avocado, which we had in the early 80s,
Yeah.
is back.
It's back.
Along with bell bottom. No, I digress. Sorry. But with KitchenAid is so Whirlpool uses KitchenAid as the brand really to listen to the needs of the cooking enthusiast.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So what's a great feature on a KitchenAid range that a cooking enthusiast would really have to have?
I would honestly say just the True Convection itself. With True Convection, you have both the boil and bake element, but you're going to get a third element in the back of the oven, along with a fan. That's what we like to call a bow tie baffle, and it's going to completely encompass the food with warm air to give you even cooking, whatever you're making, whether it's a pan of lasagna or cookies, you're going to get that even cooking throughout.
So really, to kind of visualize what the bow tie convection system is, in a traditional oven with a third element for convection, it's just circular.
Right.
Whereas with the bow tie, you have the circular center, and then you have thinner area on the left and right, kind of like the Chevrolet emblem.
Yeah.
You know, if you kind of want to visualize, except in the center, instead of it being square, this is circular. So that's going to give you
kind of like a hard candy, if you will.
Perfect. So that's going to give you more even heat distribution, right?
Exactly.
And really, that's what cooking, right? That's what cooking with convection really is for, is that even heat distribution to make sure that things are browning properly, and that if you're doing 3 racks of cookies or flat sheet cakes, that it's all going to cook evenly.
Exactly. Yep.
Now that's a great feature. Now on a dishwasher, right? So KitchenAid is synonymous with dishwashers.
Yeah.
What's a great feature on a dishwasher?
KitchenAid actually has the claim for the largest third level rack in the industry. What's great about our third level rack, not only is it large enough to fit items like cereal bowls or pint glasses, but it's actually going to have 2 rotating spray arms that are dedicated just for that third level rack. So you know that you are going to get those items clean every time, and it's truly an additional rack for your dishwasher.
So it's not just a cutlery rack,
Exactly.
so to speak.
Right.
It's a third rack that you can, when you say pint, I always think of either orange juice glasses,
Yeah.
right? Or like a pint of Guinness beer, but
Yep.
you know, I digress. But also those smaller bowls, right? So smaller fruit bowls, let's say, or breakfast bowls.
Exactly. Yep. Cereal
Great
bowl.
place for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm a visual person. That's why I'm kind of talking about these various, you know,
Yes.
bowls and glasses. But when we look at KitchenAid refrigerators, I know I'm thinking of something specifically, but give us a great feature on a KitchenAid refrigerator.
Some of our KitchenAid refrigerators have a dual evaporator system. And the beauty of the dual evaporator is that your refrigerator and your freezer are controlled separately. And that allows for your fresh food in that refrigerator to remain fresh. And you're able, with being able to separate those cooling systems, it's going to be the right temperature for those individual sections.
I like, again,
I know,
I'm
I know
aesthetically,
where you're going.
I like the gray interior on some of the products.
Yes, of course.
But what else were you thinking for aesthetics?
So the platinum interior is a great one.
Yep.
We have LED lighting.
Yes.
But then we even have certain touch points within, like a faux wood shelf that really brings kind of a premium feel to the inside of that refrigerator.
Yeah, so aesthetically, you know, KitchenAid has done a really, really good job on their French door units. The built-in products, which are the larger 84-inch high products that can go up to 48 inches wide.
Yeah.
But, you know, a bulk of the products that we see being sold in the KitchenAid brand are the French door units. So those are by far the best. And in terms of microwaves, right, just real quickly, can you just go through just a great feature on a KitchenAid microwave?
Yeah, we actually just came out with Airfry in our over-the-range microwaves. It comes with a dishwasher safe Airfry basket. You're able to grill within this microwave, steam, pretty much anything that you would, features that you may want to do, you can all do now within a microwave.
Is this on the over-the-range microwave?
It is, yeah. So it's also going to have a 6-speed 400 Cfm Vent that will can be used for over the range.
And what's great about that is that can be used as kind of like a second cooking source.
Exactly.
Versus 2 ovens. So holidays, parties, entertaining.
Right.
Awesome. Well, Beth, thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, go to our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe or go to donsappliances.com, where we always have people ready to answer your questions. Thank you.